Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. I hope everybody is out there doing fantastically well, you see it? Yeah man, so we're there again for another reason. And we still a talk about the thing what we see a galang same way with CMR. Yeah. So CMR still top the discussion in the social space same way, you see it, and we see the brethren are doing thing and him a move on like business as usual. And I don't know if the brethren are differently still. If he's a victim or is a predator. Me not too sure. You see it, you see, because me not too sure. I kind of reserve my judgment certain kind of way. You see it, because when me looking at the comment section, them, I realize the people them split right down. You see it. Me not gonna say right down the middle still, cause you understand, me see more people. Me then say like probably 70-30 kind of vibration, where more 70% people think say him guilty, while you have a few others who think otherwise. Seeing, cause me see some comments where people are say the little girl is a known liar and them kind of things. They see it, and she tell lie upon him before. But when you listen the whole argument around the police statement differently still. The police statement, it kind of telling differently still, in my opinion. See? And we have to focus on the details of the police report. See? Because in the police report, it has say somebody else went up on the bed. Somebody else went there in the room while CMR enter the youth them bedroom. See? Anyway, them doctor out the or them redact the person name or whatever. You see it, so we don't know exactly who. So people only can speculate or think to themselves, say, oh. But the fact of the matter is, someone else was in the room. So me then the question, if the youth are differently still, when have the intention of doing whatever he is accused of, if he wouldn't do it in the presence of the person, irregardless if the person asleep or not, but him knows that somebody else there in the room, seeing why, what kind of mindset him wouldn't have for even attempt something like that. You see? So it make me kind of question whether this thing what him accused of, if him is just a victim of one of them other kind of sitting there, or the youth here, him not there in the mental space where him supposed to be as a man. But when time I watch him vlog them or him live while him doing, you understand, me see him on a complex, like a college complex and them kind of thing there. So it seems like him a deal with some kind of higher learning, or him a go through some kind of training. Me hear him talk about communication and journalism and them kind of sitting there. So I don't know if it's something where him already a got through. So if him already a got through kind of communication and journalism training, that would then give him a certain kind of expertise into how to present himself in the media. See? And me don't know if some of them videos here what we are saying, if they were pre-recorded prior to the story coming out. Or is a man who just a do him thing and him unfazed by it. By the accusation and the things that what people are say about him and the whole controversy we surround in thing right here now. You see it? Cause me see him do some unboxing and him ride round on him thing and you see it, him go about with him promotion, see him we are doing video and you understand, it's almost like him not fazed by none of this where they go on. So it make me wonder if what people are say about him, because me hear people are say he's a narcissist now. And me don't know if that is true where he's a narcissist and him just do him thing and him not care what people want to say or whatever. But me don't know how comes him not fazed by it still. You see? And if him not fazed by it and the kind of confidence what him have with how him present himself in the videos and them kind of thing there, it will then feel like I say him is just a victim of some kind of, you understand, scheme against him and them kind of things there, you see? But if this is a scheme against him and them allegations they are false, you have to go question the environment where the little youth they're in a different list still. Seeing where the cause them things have to happen, that's the girl who they have to come up with such a elaborate scheme to get herself out of that environment there. You see? So just them kind of things they are questioning in my mind differently still, you know. You see it, what go on in the household? What the things them why girl they see and experience and them kind of sit there, you see it? What would then drive her to the point to say she have to go come up with a lie just to get her escape. See? So when me see things like them, they have to question the household, the environment, what go on round her, you see it? How the mother train the youth them, what kind of biasness or what kind of, you understand, inequality kind of treatment a go on and them kind of sitting there. Because watch you now. You see when time they hide them upon the internet and have on a happy life and a pop champagne and a sip and everybody hug up and jolly and everybody nice. And people are coming and I say, whoa, what a beautiful couple, what a nice family. You understand? Because I want to present to the people. You see it? So people go comment on what them see and what them like. So you see them way like how people do that. I want to present on yourself in the public as public figures. I want to open on a family to public scrutiny. People go question when time them see certain kind of things where no go against the we go against what them see as normal or what they see as, you understand, indiscipline or immoral or whatever them you want terms it. You understand? Once people see that in this space, then go question it same way to one. Once you open the door for it to happen, people go do it. You see? So I just, some of my question them I want to know differently still, because you see now the anticipation will go upon the verdict of CMR outcome. I just Vibes Cartel verdict in terms of anticipation alone it can rival to. You see, and this go rival Vibes Cartel kind of, you understand, anticipation. How people when I look forward for hear the outcome of Vibes Cartel case. Well, I kind of that me see surround the case here differently still. You see, because we see this man a move on nonchalantly same way I go on with the thing, and you understand? Them a defend them thing and whatever. You understand? You have people that defending the family, and I say the youth is just a victim and him innocent and them kind of sitting there, when you have other people that say otherwise same way. You see it, so all the anticipation we surround this, we just have to wait and see. You see it? So people, in the meantime, while we are waiting and see, we just watch and see what I go and see wait, because you understand? Then we go have we right for say whatever we mean for say, or we can say whatever what we in the think. Whether when things say is a hoax span the youth where them have accused him falsely, or as people say, it's just a creep and it's just a narcissist. You see it? So we just have to wait and see what go on. You see it? So in the meantime, people, when you go and look out same way for your loved ones. You see, for all of the genuine people them who go through them situation and know say them things here are some hard things for bear and go through. Me just want to say more strength. You understand? And more healing to the item, man. You understand? More life. Just go and protect the item self, protect the item family. Just help create a better community, so you understand? We advance the welfare of we country. So you just go and bless up the item self and take care of the item family same way. You see, Rastafari.